Hello everyone. For this week's discussion 13 C1B1T1, I will be going over the create index and using explain function to compare the query aptitude with and without the index. The create index statement is used to create indexes and tables, and the indexes will retrieve the data from the database, usually more quickly than without it. So users cannot see the indexes, but they are used just to speed up searches and queries. For this example, I want to just simply look up customers who reside in the city of Grove. And here I have the basic select star from tile customer where city equals Grove, and we're going to execute that. And here we have two results. And so for the purpose of this example, I want to go ahead and use the explain function right here. So let's explain, select all from tile customer where city equals Grove. Okay, so the explain function gives more information about how the execution was performed. So this command generates a report with SQL to explain what the query optimizer has done. And right here, we're going to go and read the extra column. This indicates it's using the where clause, which is basically like a table scan. So we know that there's no indexes yet. And it filtered through 12 rows. So we'll just keep that in mind. And from here, what I want to do is compare the performance of the database running with an index. But one thing to keep in mind when you're using indexes is that when you're updating a table with indexes, it takes more time than updating a table without, because those indexes also need to be updated. But so we should really only try to create indexes on columns that will be frequently searched. Otherwise, it might get a little bit trickier to keep track of them. But for the purpose of this example, I am going to create an index with city. So I already have that here. So I want to say create index city on tile customer and city. So let's create that now. So now that we executed, we just want to try the query once more up here in the first part. And so again, it gave us the two results as expected. And what I want to do is verify using the same explain function to create that report. And so if you didn't already see, there's a difference here now with the extra column. And it's stating that we're using the index condition, which is the one we just added. And as well as filtered only through 2 rows compared to the 12. So indexes definitely speed up the retrieval of data, and our databases we usually have an improved query performance. And this just proves the index condition is a very useful one. And that's about it. Thank you.